Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Suzuki Carry Van. It has a water-cooled Suzuki 3-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 67,205 miles. It does come with 4 doors. The rear doors are sliding, and it does come with a rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle comes with 108,157 kilometers. The miles on it again is 67,205. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior, or at the frame of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side. No, go for it. I'm just making a car video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to say thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.